Masicka and Alkaline make Vybz Kartel nervous in a dancehall.
A few moments later.
There is no way I'm going to campaign to Vybz Kartel again. It just never did possible. Because over time, boy, me don't know if me can even bash him on certain things. Something happened to Vybz Kartel at prison. Me don't really know what.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, how we the latest news them love.
To a guan, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah man, so look at now people, you don't know Alkaline, about there, Barbados. You see me? July the 19th. You see me? Yeah man, you don't know that it's got loud, tipsy music festival. You don't know a thing of people, so you don't know a thing set. Yeah man, a young lad man, headliner. I don't know, normal. You understand? But we have some clip for clear people making us see what I go on, you see me? Yeah man.
Masicka and Alkaline make Vybz Kartel nervous in a dancehall. No for only no see it, you know. Because we not always late. But watch this. Vybz Kartel know say that impact the way we used to have in a dancehall, it not did it again. If we not be honest with ourselves, Vybz Kartel action with music. Vybz Kartel action because he might run dancehall. Vybz Kartel now run dancehall.
And that are the thing, you know, that me I try to tell the man them, you know. You understand? See? You see, when it comes to Vybz Kartel, you know, I just a controversy thing, you know. You understand? And I that them use to make just say, yo, him a run dancehall. And we say, yo, brother, the man up on the internet a do him thing. You see me, nothing wrong if him up on the internet a do him thing, you know. If him want to show where him want to show or whatever. But you can't use that, me G, and say, yo, a man a run dancehall, me G. Because when you talk about dancehall, we talk about music. You see what I try to say? Him followed out him a doing bag of shows and a bag of thing. You see what I try to say? And show now go on now like him did do last year. It come like him did most time show last year. You see, now this year now, him a do 1 and 2 show. I think a 1 show him do for year and I think a Cayman. You understand what him book for? You see it? And then I think him have Sunfest, then I think a regular or whatever, and then him have him next show in a Malta or whatever. You see me? So him a do him thing, but like musical wise, nah. I just more of a controversy thing. Same like back then, man, just that. You see me? But right now, no. You have other youths out there do it. I have the song and all of them little things. You see me? Because him drop an album and I really found out the album. We know the album I got streams and all of them little things because of the collaboration them. You understand? So no, we know you know big song found out the album. You see me? So we have to see what go on.
From Vybz Kartel forward from prison. And the first 6 months out of prison. Dancehall look past Vybz Kartel prison hype. Even me when I say it's no prison hype, Vybz Kartel still have it, him still have it. Until me start realize it. Vybz Kartel lose it. Vybz Kartel doesn't lose the music, Vybz Kartel losing morals. Vybz Kartel become a puppet and a clown to money. And that whole Vybz Kartel, you know. Vybz Kartel, me don't know when him in a prison. Him come out and say, Lord God, money is everything, rare, and realize it. Me right it, me can buy a few, but me can't buy everybody.
Well, I saw it going in a dancehall, I can buy out anybody, you know. You see me? I just one of them things there. So when me see it, I say that's some joke thing. But you don't know people are gonna love run with the clout and people are gonna look strength and a bag of thing. And remember, you know, remember say yo when him forward out and thing, you know. Seeing? Him a say yo him a everybody good. Cause you don't know him want they run everybody and I do him thing and link them and you know? And know say yo, alright. If me can act like me good with everybody, forget everybody's strength. And after me get them strength, I just do my thing. I just one of them things that because I remember when Court had found out and the man say, yo, for the man buy the Benz and thing, come like say, you know what go on. You see, but I just can't tell that. You see me? Can't tell no change. It's just that now, I'm in a different atmosphere right now, I'm there overseas. So, a lot of things, a lot of ways, a lot of doings you go see him do. Where you never see him did that do when him there in Jamaica, because him there on some different type of atmosphere, some different type of man. You understand? So I just saw things said.
And people that just see me, no, people that just look and see me money, them actually see me as Vybz Kartel. Let me tell you this. Masicka. Let me tell you, you see greatness in a life. Greatness is a hell of a thing. And Vybz Kartel got you the same thing. If you don't really check the stats about this, from Alkaline boss, Vybz Kartel 18. Because Vybz Kartel could not see the greatness in the Alkaline. You know why? Alkaline was a scholar same way. University youth. Have him head on him body. And at the time we used to say Vybz Kartel a bright DJ Ray. From Alkaline touchy ground, Vybz Kartel eat him. Because Vybz Kartel wanted every artist and them shut up. So
Yeah, man. I really think that from and that are the thing, you know. From Alkaline forward out, the man them want pin Alkaline to the man. Me see how much artists forward out. Praise Kartel, yo. Kartel are them father. The man them do everything. For Kartel see them and them not see them, you know why? Because them are not the caliber artist what Alkaline is. Alkaline is a great artist. You understand? And at that them want time name to Kartel. Because look here now. Me can't blame Kartel for some of them man, yeah. Especially some of them artists, yeah. Some of them just weak. The man them can just do them thing and have to put themselves to a next man's side. Some of them say Gaza because them want the strength. You understand? And once them get the strength, that's it. You see me? So right now, Kartel thing, nothing really go on. So that's why you see some man just go and do them thing. And cause right now, if Kartel never have no money right now, none of them wouldn't dare around him. I tell you that. If him never have the money where him have, none of them wouldn't dare around him. You see it? Everybody are just cloud, most people run down and bag a thing and just call a man name for people Ray. And you see me, some of artists them just can't be a man and just do them own thing. You see me? Them have to say, yo, this and Ray, Alkaline boss. And them start to pressure you to say, yo, Kartel this, Kartel that, Kartel this, Kartel that. Remember when Alkaline first put in the contact lens and he do it, I think a ER. And the man them start compare Alkaline with Tommy Lee. Saying look devilish and Ray, Tommy Lee, Ray. Then now, after that, cause enough people don't know, you know. Enough people never know, say, yo, Tommy Lee was the first artist them compare Alkaline with. And then after that now, this was his first interview where him just put in a contact lens. Him never have no song yet. You see me? Yeah, man, him never have no song yet. And him da compare with what you call it, Tommy Lee. I suck on me know say, yo, and nothing we have to do with Kartel or whatsoever. I just threw the youth great. Make they see them want to compare the youth with Kartel because they want to keep Kartel in the algorithm and bag of things. You understand? I try put Kartel to the youth career. You see it? Because when him forward out, they must see a Tommy Lee. And then now, after that now, when the youth get him song now, I think, see when him get him song now, and first question, yo, how you feel about Vybz Kartel? What you mean? What kind of question that you ask, man? How you feel about one next man? Me never see nobody ask nobody, a man, how them feel about a next man. Yeah, from there, so me I say, yo, where them man and then man do him next interview now, see him goddamn thing I ask him man about Vybz Kartel. That's some joke thing. You see me? So, right now, you them have to just focus and do them own thing right now. You see it? Yeah. And just focus on the plan. You see it? And build them thing and build them brand. You see it?
once your body, you need to call your name from Vybz Kartel. You see me? And when him realize say Alkaline relinquish that and say, oh me nah call no Vybz Kartel and now big up no Vybz Kartel. Him eat Alkaline right through. And guess what? Look at Alkaline right now. Alkaline a giant. You know see it? And the same thing I take Masicka. When Vybz Kartel realized him can't control Masicka. Because what Vybz Kartel wanted, him know Masicka go great, but him want Masicka greatness be based off of Vybz Kartel.
And let me tell you with that now. See, some part of that are true, but remember you know, Masicka forward out and say, yo, him not link himself with no Gaza and alliance thing. But after that, him go do that. When him go on stage and say him hear some boy talk about go live vendetta thing. And him say a Gaza genocide. But now him reach to a level now when him feel like say him no need a strength there. You understand? So him go over there, him been a look his strength for Kartel and Ray. All when him dip on stage, I say, yo, a Kartel have to fall from prison for come clash, Gaza this, Gaza that. Him been I do that for get the strength. You understand? So now him feel like say yeah. Because him see say yo, Alkaline have him own a thing. And them always I say to him say, yo, a Gaza give him the strength. So that's why you see him say, yo, you know what? I gotta do it more own a thing. You see me? So at the end of the day, him go over there for strength as well. Alkaline never from the get-go.
Just like when you hear Skilly Ben rate Vybz Kartel and can big up. Vybz Kartel who don't mind every big dancehall artist out there has something to do with Vybz Kartel and call Vybz Kartel name. But now him realize that in a 2 days, the dancehall artists them not rate Vybz Kartel. And I know bad mind them either. Them bad mind him either. Because even when I tell you say, them bad mind him through him money. But guess what? Vybz Kartel forgot say every dancehall artist can put food on them table. A whole of them a drive a car. A whole of them a do all of these things. But yet still everybody bad mind Vybz Kartel for money. No, because Vybz Kartel feel like say the money we about control everybody. See there, you know. Vybz Kartel this popcorn brawling over social media, you know. As a youth to check fee, you know. So what? Money replace that. Money replace respect. Money replace respect and morals. Eh? A youth to respect you. And I look out for your well-being. Just for clout on social media, you're this in brawling. You're this bounty killer brawling and then you come big friend. Let me tell you something, Vybz Kartel. A whole heap of man missing with money and wish them could have still spend it and can't spend it.
Yeah, man. A real talk that, man. That me I try to show you, brother. Man, forward, I say my everybody good to bombard. You see a man, they will get this. That's why, but we can't really wrong them man then, brother. Otherwise, a man, them have to know, you know, and respect them own self, you know, brother. If a man diss you, and I look on all black cry, you know, and black cry, I talk about daddy and bag of things and ray. I mean, I say, brother, them man ain't on a backbone, me G. Them not respect themselves. Brother, there only somebody out of Gaza when me see have a backbone, a Vanessa Bling. And she alone have a backbone. We no link up back. None at all. I'll know till the man father 2 years now. And I'll know she and Vybz Kartel no link. Remember say Movado and Kartel link, you know, and Vanessa Bling always there on Movado, you know. And she still no link up with him I'll know. You understand? So that she have a backbone and things are going for her. That's why I try to show you. Say some of them man are just weak. They don't respect themselves. You see me?
You hear that? Money, a commodity, and you have to know that. You see, respect and legacy, it's still longer. And the money Bob Marley left, you know, him left legacy. And Kartel, your legacy rub out. Because the moment you come wind up in a brief and say you lead a culture like dancehall, we know say you done it done. What make you think the youth them respect you no more? You know, see a clone, you have to clone out yourself on social media. Right now, you're a TikToker, brother. You're a TikToker or a social or a content creator. Right now, your artistry job, because you know song make people watch you right now. You know see it?
And that a facts. Me tell them already, if Vybz Kartel never go prison, you know. Right. Same thing we wanna see now. It would have even worse. May I tell you that. I see him thing he would do social media, this, that, cause a brother him love attention. You know. Them man, yo, may I tell you, him can't put on him phone for a month and don't post or don't do nothing. Your man that depression him going on, man. May I tell you that. Cause them man, you see when somebody will crave for your attention, them will do anything on the media to go viral. Remember me tell you that. You see me, I just feel him think that. You see me, if any man fall out from prison, TikTok, this, that, way. But the thing is that, you know, them feel like say, yo, yeah, you talk about the money, I do this and that. I mean, I say, bro, remember this. Remember, you know, Vybz Kartel is an artist, so if him do them every little thing, when him start to really take things serious when it comes to music, nobody not take it serious, my G. You understand? If I do so, you go get your views. Remember, you know, you're an actor, TikToker, you know, you're an artist. So anything people supposed to focus on is your music. You see me?
You lose it. And you eat Alkaline and Masicka. Because you see them greatness and you know say them lucky game. Well, time I go tell. I hope the Gaza fans them can take you when that time they come. Believe. Hey people, the man them say, how much them a pay me to bash Vybz Kartel over social media? I don't even think them man you really understand when you really meds and see something for what it really is. Me not see Vybz Kartel help no youth in a dancehall. Nothing what Vybz Kartel do in a dancehall music right now nah benefit no youth. Back then, when say for example when Vybz Kartel run Portmore Empire, it was a platform for new talent to help a lot of youths. You hear me I say, right now the only thing Vybz Kartel do with the youth them, a hype on the youth them. The only thing Vybz Kartel do right now, a hype on the youth them and show off, or him encourage the youth them to go fuck batty or sitting. You hear me I say?
Jaja, dog. No, brother. But you see, the thing is that, you know, brother, we all see how the Gaza thing going, you know, brother. You see me? The man them, yeah, him highlight the man thing, but like money wise, it kind of that go away, my G. You see me? And that's why my most of the man them fall out. Even not nice and a bag of thing. You see me? So, I don't know, brother. But to be honest, who Kartel can help right now? I see man that try with Aisha and me no see nothing. The man that try with him son them for years, so me no see nothing. So, cause me no think Kartel can do nothing for no artist right now, my G. The man them have to just do them own thing, my G. Yeah, like Kartel himself right now, wow, man, just an internet thing going right now. You understand? and see it on him album, the collaboration of a give him that strength upon him album. Right now, Kartel need more strength. Kartel need the strength more than him youth right now, cause him done do him for do already. Generational time pass, and the younger artists them have more chance, cause them can build something and build a career. But Kartel just do him time years in a game already, so him can't really do nothing right now.
Because number one, you now extend your creativity, your talent, your expertise. They say you go help to you then. But yet still, you want to show them G-Wagon, this, that, 25 house and something. And like that, if you go get it. Oh, them all go get it. Go fuck Batty. And next thing what you do, they pass it now, wind up and down in a brief. What kind of example them for the little youth them? Right now, one thing me I tell you. Mavado legacy more solid than for Vybz Kartel right now. Vybz Kartel water down him legacy. And when me say Vybz Kartel water down him legacy, me mean say him water down it full time. Right now, Vybz Kartel is just a cloud chaser, a media cloud chaser. When you check, every media personality will have a little bit of name, and Vybz Kartel can buy them out, him buy them out. Whether it's Jaden, we say him love suck pussy, him love fuck batty, and him want 25 man, Vybz Kartel still a big him up in a song. Vybz Kartel still a go meet him on highway and link with him. You see what me I deal with? It no matter what them a do or how them a do it. Him no care. You see what me I say right now? There's no way we can campaign with Vybz Kartel again. It just never did possible. Because over time, boy, me don't know if me can even bash him on certain things.
Yo, people, and to be honest, you know, J Progress was one like a man where I run with the Kartel thing when he found out of prison, you know, kind of feel like say, oh, Kartel growing and everything. But when you start realize say, yo, I be a man, this man I do on the media and a bag of thing and some dream, and I say, yo, brother, me can't, cause look you now. He is a Gaza man, you know. But him no want wait till that day Kartel go do something where it really go out of hand. And then him have to say, yo, Jano, cause enough thing go on in the media and him not go forward out and cause him see me as a G, so him not go want forward out and defend certain things. You understand? So I just that a lot of people see certain things and just lose our vibe, but them just now come and say it. You see it?
Something to Vybz Kartel at prison, me don't really know what. Something happen, separate and apart from the illness, because anybody can get ill. I will not use sickness against people. Something happened to Vybz Kartel at prison. We make Vybz Kartel lose his morals. We make Vybz Kartel not stand up for nothing. The only thing Vybz Kartel stand up for today is money.
Brother, nothing. I always you wanna talk about this prison thing, brother, about do prison. Bro, nothing, brother, I saw Vybz Kartel stay MG. You have to understand, say, yo, you're comfortable. And sometimes you're uncomfortable. When Kartel is there prison before him, when him there road before him go prison. The man never in an atmosphere where him could have be himself, my G. And that you not realize. Now the man have be himself. The man they are foreign, him have the money, everything. So him have be him actual self. Like him there in a different atmosphere around different people. When him there Jamaica, him there around the man them the gangster, him couldn't act. And remember, you know, brother, remember say social media never so powerful back then for him even do them thing them G. You see what I try to say? I just that. Now, him there road and everything now says like him can be himself. Because social media they were so powerful, him just make one post. You understand? So many of these social media never make it them time there. You understand? So that are the problem. You see it?
Vybz Kartel will do anything in a today's world for money. And a man like that can have legacy. What kind of legacy? The who? Who him all lead out? He can lead out the Gaza man them because guess what? The other day me I go through TikTok and hear some man about no J Progress say boy him this and him that about Vybz Kartel. You know the man them a say? You know the Gaza man them a say? J Progress you there with man and man and if you want man me I say jeez there is just them a can't real Gaza fans. Because one thing for sure, me know enough of the real Gaza fans them. And enough of the real Gaza fans them no shaky.
A real thing, man. Me know people who are Gaza and them no move some G. Me I tell yo, people, me see the man them. You have one Kevin and the next one Pink Purge or whatsoever. See? Every day the man them get up. I can't believe this. Every day man them get up. The man them worry about Alkaline. And which girl Alkaline have. Brother, a woman alone, me know, want know if a next man have a next woman. Them man get up every day and worry about a next man. That's what I try to show you, brother. Them man in the day for music, bro. Or some man thing them there for me, G. You understand? Remember, me I say, brother, if you don't get up every day, what about the next man? I say, yo, Jaja, yo, on a dangerous, bro, and what the man want to do with the next girl or whatever. Me I say, yo, the man ain't really have nothing to do, me, G. Me I tell you, sometimes one day look like them man ain't a woman, dog. You see me? Yeah, man, because them man ain't move like militancy and them look at thing, the dog. Them man ain't move like some sissy. You see it?
Enough of them already come up Gaza fans, yeah. Me notice with them fascinated with Batty. That's why what you see Kartel wind up in a brief. You see 25 of them gonna put on brief, gonna wind up in it. And that them want to see Vybz Kartel do.
But the thing is that in a J progress. And at that too, you know. You know why worst thing? Kartel a post him up on him story too. And that one I think too, you know. The man a post them up on him story. You see a man them we are wind up in a brief and bag of thing. At that type, yo, we have real people when me see it, I laugh and I say, yo, dog, them thing industry going to. I have to laugh.
Tell me, I tell you no. Vybz Kartel, your legacy, she, brother, me don't know, man. You don't know more legacy for dancehall. Believe. You have legacy for the Gaza followers them, but not for dancehall. Nothing what you do right now, Kartel, is not for dancehall. Believe when me tell you that.
Yeah, man, people big up on themselves, you know. I don't know one media facts. Them have to know, you know. There are a lot of things we are going on in media where may I tell you, something we are going on in media, may I tell you people, and not normal. Just look what we are going, man. You see me? Yeah, but people big up on themselves and don't know one media facts pan happen. Yeah, man. Mad thing.